The FOSSiBOT F113's monumental 20,000 milliamp hour battery, bolstered by 33-watt fast charging and 18-watt OTG reverse charging, transforms this rugged smartphone into an endurance powerhouse, perfectly engineered for marathon use cases, prolonged outdoor adventures, and demanding power-sharing scenarios, ensuring uninterrupted connectivity and utility across days of heavy usage without compromise. With the FOSSiBOT F113, professionals finally have a device that isn't just tough, it's smart, visual, and enduring. Whether tackling night ops, outdoor expeditions, or demanding technical tasks, this phone is a serious upgrade for anyone who refuses to compromise on capabilities or ruggedness. FOSSiBOT F113 completely redefines what a rugged smartphone can be. It doesn't just keep up, it leads.